family.
She po ho po family.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Nơ đó piwe khóa đó piwe mi oa đó kolwane teweda. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Ye đó piwe mi o dagalo. I have one sister.
Who is older, you or your sister?
Mơ ta ke awe dagale. Na me na đó piwe mi le. Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Ye do piwe mi athani pagani dia lo. Do pamitele clear carbone. Ye do piwe mi ne mile awe lo. My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Ne tari lo ta do ne do piwe mi ne re kso do a. Tai ne no ka do siwe da le na re lon ta de ne do piwe mi chia cha ne po no. Do akwe da le kalwak lo. Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
Me betari lotane repair grela. Yes, we get along okay.
How about your parents?
No mo pa mo ma di le. How about your parents?
My father died many years ago.
Ye pa ti le apu kwi w ni le. My father died many years ago.
I'm sorry to hear about that.
Satamula nahuda wene. I'm sorry to hear about that.
My mother is fine though. She is very strong and likes to work.
Ye mone o su o kle rila. Awe agi su do mata mula. My mother is fine though. She is very strong and she like to work.
What does your mother do?
No mo mata mamanule. What does your mother do?
She teaches at a university.
Awe to lota le do do jolo. She teaches at a university.
That's great. What does she teach?
Dani rido malo. Awe to lota manule. That's great. What does she teach?
She teaches psych.
Awe tholo size law. Do kwele kalwak lo. She teaches science. Do tali science ne awe pakwe tala psychology na. Kamyan tholo da bakara da ta khutinya pra daga ta pa ta tinya na pe. Chane pona.
Pardon me? I do not understand.
We tha suya thea. Yena de peba. Pardon me. I do not understand.
She teaches psychology.
Awe tholo baka braga atapata. She teaches psychology. Daughter psychology ne kamyami wada dito. Ta chokomo ta kha khutinya khu khoti tinya braga atapata. Braga me padile dile. Braga ta ke pwa dile. Pokwa gala le braga ta huta ke ta pitamane petinya patwa ka chane pona.
Psychology. I understand now.
Ta khutinya prata sokomo. You're not okay, law. Psychology, I understand now.
How about you? Are you married?
Namo, dile, netopralia. How about you? Are you married?
I'm not married yet. I had a girlfriend for many years, but we broke up.
Ye te topradiba. Ye ta eta ula te blinia atapu. Basa Velopaquila. I'm not married yet. I have girlfriend for many years, but we broke up.
I'm sad to hear that.
Yertha Miller Nahuta Wene. I'm sad to hear that.